So my name is Jawad Rizvi, and this video is for those who are having trouble in making MetaMask account and using Uniswap. So you have to just start with type. You have to just type MetaMask, download MetaMask. Click on this link, and if you do have a PC or a Apple laptop, or so you just have two options, so you can download either of these. I go with Chrome. So after this you have to click add to Chrome, and you will get this pop-up notification. So add extensions. It will take some time to download for you to use it, and on the other hand, this is the Uniswap account. I will put that link in comment section, so you can click on that and connect your MetaMask to your Uniswap. So again, I opened MetaMask and I'm watching this if I can add this extension to this place. So here it is. I already added my MetaMask. So I'm connecting with it. When you get this screen, get started, and if you have already a seed phrase, so you can go with this option, or if you are a new one in this MetaMask, so you can create a wallet here, agree, and you can add your password. And when you add your password, like I am typing my password, confirm password, click on that option. I have read and agree. My password didn't match, so I'm putting this again. So you will get, when you click on this option, you will get your private seed phrase. So you have to keep it safely for if you log out on your MetaMask, so you can again log in with this seed phrase. So you have to keep it safe. But I already have my account, so I'll go back there. And I just typed my password. One minute, give me a second. I think I've lost my password, so what I'll do is I'll remove this again and download this and add extensions. It will again take some time to download. I have already my seed phrase, so I'll go with the seed phrase, not with the create an account. So I'll import my wallet. I've already copied my seed phrase, so I'll just put it there, and I typed my new password, because every time when you log in you have to choose your password if you are opening with your seed phrase. Only if you are opening with your seed phrase you need to confirm your new password. My password is completed, so I'll just import my wallet. All done. So you are created your MetaMask account. So the next option is to go the Uniswap. I'll post this link in your comment section, so you just have to link that and you will pop up this screen. So when you get this screen, you just have to connect the wallet. and you will have this option to connect. I'll go with MetaMask. It will take some time and your Uniswap account will connect to your MetaMask. So go again in this MetaMask account and deposit some Ethereum. uh, if you are go with buy, click on buy and connect to this address, directly deposit ether. When you click on this, you will get this and this address of ether, and deposit your ether on this address, so you will get your Ethereum in your MetaMask account. So whenever you get your Ethereum in your MetaMask account, just connect with this Uniswap and you can buy your first Nayam. So this is the video for those who are having trouble in making Uniswap and MetaMask account. Hope you get the info what you needed.